Today we are discussing about powerful tool for GIS projects, which is Google Earth Pro. As you can see the interface on your screen. So I will show you how to download data from Google Earth. So I missed in our last video. So I will make a separate video for it. So Google Earth Pro is effectively used in GIS software like QGIS or ArcGIS. Whether you are mapping, analyzing, or creating projects, Google Earth Pro provides a huge variety of free, accessible data that is essential for any GIS user. So, first thing first, let's talk about what Google Earth Pro is. So Google Earth Pro is a free desktop application that allows you to explore satellite imagery, 3D buildings, terrain, and layers of data for almost anywhere on Earth. It's often used to access geographic data, historical imagery, and even high resolution aerial photographs. So in this tutorial, we will cover downloading data like points, polygons, and paths directly from Google Earth Pro. So I will show you how to set up your workspace, export data, and then bring it into your GIS software for analysis and visualization. To get started, so open your Google Earth Pro. So I already opened. Or if you don't have it yet, you can download it from the earth.google.com. I will share the link in the description for free. So make sure to install the desktop version as will be using features not available in the web version. So once you are in Google Earth Pro, you will notice a sidebar on the left with layers. Here you can explore built-in layers such as border and labels, roads, 3D buildings, weather gallery, and so on. So these are especially helpful when you want to add contextual information to your GIS project. One of the most useful features is the history imagery, which lets you access satellite images from different time periods. This can be super helpful for tracking changes over time like urban development or environmental impact. Now let's add some data ourselves. There are three main types as we discussed in our previous videos. So what are these three type of data is? Point, line, and polygons. So to add a place mark, for this we will search for our place. For example, in my case, I will search Islamabad, which is capital of Pakistan. Hit the enter button. First, I will zoom this place. I will place a mark. Click on the push pen button. So this allow you to mark a specific point on the map. So I will move this point to here, and you can rename it as well. So for me is P1 or point 1. Click OK. So to create a path which is essentially a line, so click on the path icon, click on the path icon which looks like a squiggly line. Look at this. So click along the path you want to trace, like a river or road, and hit OK button when you are done. For me, I will select this one is the road. Okay. Now the third and the last one is a polygon. So this tool lets you create a shape useful for marking areas like parks or forest. So for this, you need to click on this icon, add polygon, and make a polygon according to your interest. This is the polygon. So these place marks, paths, and polygons are stored in your places. You can save these as a KML or KMG file, which is what we will use to import this data into our GIS software. So I will remove this line and path, delete this one, okay, delete this one, okay. The second mark is placed here, which is P2, P3, P4. So I will use these 4 points for georeferencing to align this image on its specific area or position. So now I will create a polygon. Start from here to this, then this, and this. ISB area. Click OK button. So get info, style color, filled outline, just outline. The color is red. Opacity, okay. So, okay, so that's enough for me. Now I need to download this image in our project. So for this, okay, so to download this image, click on this icon. So I will remove this because I don't need. Click on map option, unselect compass, scale, legend, title and description. You also change the styling of the map. So I need this one. To download the higher resolution, select the maximum and then click on save image. Set the path. So ISB underscore area. Select your format. Click the save button. Now wait for it. The image is being prepared. So it will take a few minutes. So the image is downloaded. Check its size, which is 24.8 MB. Click to open this image. Now zoom it. This is high resolution imagery. If you want to download these points in this polygon, so click on my places, right click on it, save place as my places, rename it points underscore poly, save. Now if you want to show this image and layer on QGIS, now let's see how we will do this. Okay, so first I will import raster which I was downloaded, Islamabad area. Click open, add. Now need to vector layer which is KMZ file. Click on it, click OK, add. Yes, we need points and polygon both. Add layers, close. Now where is the original coordinates of the 4 points is? Click on zoom to layer. So these are the original points of this image. So in our last video I already discussed about georeferencing, how to do it. So again I will repeat the steps. Go to the layer, click on the georeferencer, select the image, open, click on this P1. Now select this at points, click on it from map canvas. This is the point 1. Click OK. Then zoom out. Zoom in the point 2. Again select add point. Click here. From map canvas, select point 2. Click OK. Zoom out. Select this one. Zoom in point 3. Select this. from map canvas. This is the point 3. Okay, zoom out, zoom in, add point, click on it from map canvas, select this one. Okay, now click on start georeferencing button. Please send the output file name. Okay, target CRS by default is 4326 WGS18. Modified to, click OK. So georeferencing layer is started. Close this one. Don't save. Now look, image is placed on its original place. So if you want to digitize the layer, so you can easily do this for your project. So I hope you guys understand how to download the image for the project and how to download the point data, layers, and line and polygon data. So that's it. If you guys have any question, please write a comment below. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button as well in next video.